Hello, Sammy. How are you, man?
How are you, man?
Are you good?
Yeah.
That's cool. I see you have some cool stuff today, huh?
Yeah.
What is this?
Kinder big egg Kinder surprise.
Of course. It's a Kinder Surprise very big egg.
Yeah.
I call it actually iPort edition because those eggs, this type, you can buy only on iPort, duty-free kind of shops.
Looney Tunes.
The Looney Tunes?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's the big egg, Sammy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we put here just regular size, just to show you how big is this one. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's open.
Let's open and take a look inside. Oh, Sammy! Oh!
Wow.
Yeah, that's what is inside, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, how many eggs, Sammy? Not again. How many eggs actually you have there?
7.
Yeah?
Yeah.
3 on the top and 4 there on the bottom, yeah?
What is this?
That is this Kinder eggs. Okay, Sammy, so we have some eggs there. Uh-oh. Yeah. Sammy, but I cannot see you there, Yeah, let's make some space. Some air. Yep, first egg. You said, Sammy, there will be some Looney Tunes, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay, the second egg. The first one was yellow, yeah?
Yeah.
Yellow as well. Okay, maybe we're going to have 7 yellow eggs, huh? What do you think?
No.
There will be some orange one? We'll see. Ah, there is one orange. Okay. So the orange one will be the Looney Tunes show. I guess. Just one orange one. We have another chance, the latest one. Second one. That's cool. Let me take this stuff here on the side. Sammy, you lost one. 7 altogether.
Yes.
The first one. What's that? Oh, the Looney Tunes show toy. Okay, you open straight away, yeah?
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Okay. Some stickers, a flyer. We need to put it together. But seems like Sammy wants to open all of them first, yeah? The third one. Uh-oh, Hot Wheels car.
Green.
Green, nice. Some kitties, I think. That's great. The fifth element. That's the dude with the head to open. Maybe we'll try to push some Play-Doh today through his head.
Yeah, maybe.
And what we have now? A bike, motorbike, yep. And we have the latest egg. And Sammy cannot open it. I will open. So that's my 5 minutes. Yeah. What together? An animal.
So let's put together this ones. Yeah?
All of them, yeah? And that's our first toy.
Yeah.
the Looney Tunes toy. Here is the second one, and it's actually cool. I don't know if that will be visible on the screen, but you're supposed to spin this, look at this all the time. I don't know if it's possible to see it on the screen, but if you look all the time on this, yeah, okay, then you look on this, it's supposed to kind of grow, and it works, for me at least, because Sammy didn't see it, but I tried it and it works for me. That's funny.
Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels car, very nice. And fast. We have as well two kitties. They are nice, right? Cute. And we have this baby animal.
Therefore, Kinder Surprise.
All of them are from Kinder Surprise. And we have a fast bike. Oh. Yep, and that's the dude with the head you can open, and we want to try, as someone recommend from our friends on YouTube, to put some Play-Doh into his head. Okay, let's try to use it. It's going out, but it's not that easy, and it's not actually for Play-Doh, but it's nice. Yeah, so that's the 7 toys we found in the big 7-pack. Yeah, oh, it's very big. And we have this big egg, of course. We can use it as a storage. We can store some eggs there or toys, yeah. Let's put the toys inside. Sammy's playing with Play-Doh. Okie dokie.
Donkey, here we are.
Okay, Sammy, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned. Click like.
Stay in touch.
Stay in touch, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye, share and subscribe, thumbs up.
Thumbs up.